Hi, welcome to MarineMax Houston. My name is Skip Pillsbury. I'd like to take you on a quick tour of this 2017 Grady White 330 Express that we just have listed on the market. This is a great boat powered with twin 300 Yamahas. One thing you will notice about this boat is that it's got a custom upper station with full electronics. Great for fishing, cruising, but really gives you a nice view of spotting the fish while you're out there on the water. We do have underwater lights on this boat. You'll notice the Panoptix transducer mounted on the transom back here. Nice easy access. Coming up through the starboard side, we've got our engine flushes, which are making it super easy for flushing out the engines with a quick release. Large climate controlled fish box located here in the transom. We do have a divider in here, but you can refrigerate or freeze this box here. We also have a freshwater shower located on the back side. Rod storage on both sides. The gunnels, we do also have raw water and freshwater washdown. Fold out bench seat located back here, which is probably one of the nicest seats on the boat, which we've got room for two people real easy. You'll also notice a nice tow rail on the port and starboard side, so if you're leaning over to grab that fish, bring it in the boat, makes it really nice and easy. The back side of the helm area here, we do have a freshwater sink, extra storage for tackle, gear, and some of the loose items you may have on the backside, easy for rigging. We do also have some more storage on the starboard side over here. Live well, which makes it really nice and easy for rigging live bait. And we do have tool storage down here, so you'll notice you've got a place to hang leaders, pliers, and knives. And then we've got easy access up to the upper station. Located here on the port side, we've got 3 steps molded into the tower. Easy access up here. Big bench seat up here, which you can see 3 or 4 people. There's a Garmin display mounted up on the top. And this boat does also have the Yamaha Helm Master, so you have your joystick control up there as well down here in the lower cockpit. Lots of great seating in this area. We've got a flip up continuation of the seating here on the starboard side, so you can lounge either forward or aft or have opposing seating. On the port side, we've got a bit large cooler located here underneath the seat, which this is also climate controlled, so you can refrigerate or freeze that. Really nice captain seat, flip up bolster. We've got 2 12-inch Garmin displays here in the dash. There'll be a third up top. We do also have AutoPilot on this boat, the Helm Master Joystick Control, spotlight controls, and then our Yamaha displays. This boat has under 730 hours on it right now. So boat's ready to go, ready to get out and go fishing. You've also got storage underneath the hardtop for life jackets, additional storage the bottom side of the hardtop forward. Nice view all the way around. The curtains will roll up on the side, so if you want that air coming through, plus we have 2 vent windows. As we work our way down in the cabin, we do have air conditioning down below here as well as in the cockpit. We've got our thermostat controls for the fore and aft fish boxes as well as the helm and cabin AC. Microwave, cooktop, we've got a freshwater sink, lots of extra storage throughout here for storing gear. We've got a refrigerator with a small freezer forward, TV, DVD player, sleeping for 2 forward. This will convert into a dinette, so this will pop up. You've got a table here, or you've got additional sleeping. This boat does also have a mid cabin located here, which you've got room to sleep 2 more adults if you like. A little more storage underneath for gear, clothes, and we've got a large head located on the starboard side. This does have hot water on board, so you've got all the amenities, everything you need to enjoy your time out on the water. Thank you again for taking the tour of this 2017 Grady White 330 Express located here in Houston, Texas. My name is Skip Pillsbury. I look forward to seeing you on the water soon.